How to ban someone on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually ban someone on TikTok. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First of all, what we want to do is simply make sure we have actually updated the TikTok app to the latest version. So if you haven't updated it already, you can head over to your device's app store. In the search box you can type in TikTok and then go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. After we've actually updated TikTok, what I'm going to do is simply open the TikTok app on my phone. Once you open TikTok, the next thing you want to make sure is that you are also logged into your account. So go ahead and simply make sure that you're actually logged into your account. Now let's say that there is a certain profile on TikTok that you actually don't want to see and you will actually want to be banned. The first thing you want to understand is that you don't actually have the power to directly ban someone on TikTok. What you can do is you can only report that person, and you can ask your friends to report that person as well. And when many users actually report and complain about that particular profile, if TikTok sees that there is a valid reason for your report, then it is actually going to ban that. So in order to create a report, let's say that this is a particular video which you actually don't want to see, and you want this person or this profile to be banned right over here. This is just for the video purpose. What you can do is you can simply tap on this arrow icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Once you tap on this arrow icon, you'll have these options. Now what you can do is, again, at the bottom left you will find a button which says report. So you can go ahead and tap on the report button. As we tap on report, we're going to be taken to this page right over here. Here you can simply select what kind of content this person is actually sharing and why you're actually reporting this profile for a particular reason. You can simply go ahead and simply select any of these regions right over here. Once you select a region, it says that violent and graphic content or any type of thing, you can go ahead and simply tap on submit button. Once you actually submit your report, what you can do is actually you can ask also your friends to actually report this profile right over here. What else you can do is you can also go and tap on the profile name right over here. If you want, you can tap on that particular profile's name and then you can go ahead and simply actually report that person as well. You can go to the profile. On the top right you'll be able to see the three dots. Tap on the three dots right over here and you'll find an option called report. You can go ahead and simply select the reason why you want to actually report the account or report the content. If you want to ban this person, you can simply tap on report account, and then you can also check posting inappropriate content or any type of other reasons. You can go ahead and simply select why and then go ahead and submit and then tap on the report button again. And if many users actually submit a report, TikTok is going to take that into account and then ban that particular profile. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.